Here's a step-by-step guide to creating alerts for specific activities performed by users in OneDrive based on your description. Hash prerequisites. 1. You must have global administrator privileges or equivalent permissions. 2. Access to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal, HTTP security.microsoft.com. Steps to set up an alert policy. 1. Access the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Navigate to Play security.microsoft.com, security.microsoft.com. Log in using your admin credentials. 2. Navigate to the Alert Policy section. In the left navigation menu, select Email and Collaboration Policies and Rules. Click Alert Policy. 3. Create a new alert policy. Click New Alert Policy at the top. 4. Configure the alert policy. Fill out the basic details. Name. Provide a clear descriptive name, e.g., OneDrive External Sharing Alert. Description. Write a brief summary of the alert's purpose. Severity. Choose the severity level, low, medium, high, based on the activity's impact. Category. Select a category, e.g., information governance. 5. Define the activity scope. Set activity is to shared file externally. Include your OneDrive site collection URL with a wildcard to capture all activities, such as https://my.sharepoint.com/ 6. Set alert frequency. Scroll down and select every time an activity matches the rule under frequency. Click Next. 7. Configure notifications. 6. Set alert frequency. Scroll down and select every time an activity matches the rule under frequency. Click Next. 7. Configure notifications. Choose who should receive the alert notifications. Set the daily notification limit, up to 200 notifications per day or no limit. 8. Review and submit. Review your alert policy settings. Click Submit to create the policy. How it works. Once set up, the alert policy monitors external sharing activities in OneDrive. If an activity matches the defined rules, e.g., a file is shared externally, it will notify the specified recipients. Hack customization options. You can set up alerts for additional activities like file deletions, permission changes, mass downloads, suspicious logins. These options are accessible in the same alert policy section, allowing for enhanced compliance and security monitoring. Stack additional resources. Learn more about alert policies, Microsoft